Okay, so dealing with the toe hold into a heel hook, or anytime you want to transition between them, or just like entering, I'm passing guard, he's bringing the knees up, I grab and I'm attacking, we end up here, right? For whatever reason you get here, you're in the double leg control, you're going and he's kicking this leg off, and then you're trying to get this one, he's kicking that leg off. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just make sure you always have a good view, just tell me, is I'm going to go from here straight into a heel hook, right? And how I'm doing that, I'm trying to get this toe hold to work. It's not working. I just need to make sure I keep control, keep everything tight. Okay, so when I know I'm going to abandon it, I'm lifting up and I'm going to grab underneath and pull the leg as far away as I can in that direction. Now, like, I can't push his body with this grip, right? But what I'm doing is just elongating, making sure this is going to work and keeping everything tight. So I'm here, I decide I'm going for it, this hand comes underneath, I push as far as I can, right there, and then this hand clears all the way out, and I'm getting this into the armpit. All right, so I push, I bring this all the way down, and once I have the wrist bite there, I'm bringing my hand from here down to here, and I'm gonna put a bend in his knee. Okay, so step by step. I'm here, I'm going for the toe hold. He's fighting me, and it's just not working. I grab here, right at the end of the baseball bat, right? I pull this hand out, I go all the way through, come back, take that bite. Bottom hand goes down to the knee. Once it takes that bite, I bend. See how I pulled that in? I got my elbow tight, I have this bite here, and then this leg going from the hip, just whipping in. Make the connection, hip in for the tap. So any way you end up here, right? I'm attacking, I'm going for the toe hold, I can't make it work. I'm just elevating, gripping, putting it here, reaching down, grabbing the knee, coming through, leg in, hip in. Toe hold into heel hook. Why am I shouldn't subscribe?